Hey everyone, so this is what I designed for the field day. It's for Mokina Junior High's field day. It's a day for a bunch of kids to come out and hang out, play some games. So for the flyer that I designed, I decided to use a lot of bright colors because children are often very happy and energetic, and the bright colors symbolize that. The star banner kind of draws your eye into the center. Um, it's also yellow, it's bright. It's kind of the first thing that you see, and then your eyes kind of move in towards the middle. The Mokina Junior High is in a chalk font. Chalkboards are often represented in schools. Teachers use them. I thought it was a good font for uh, a school function. On the field day is just a fun little design with the jump rope on the bottom. It's different colors. It has designs by some of the letters. It's super bright um, with the stars at the bottom. It's another thing that your eye kind of draws to. I chose light blue and yellow. Light blue and yellow are often associated with kids, energy, playfulness, fun. Um, so I decided to go with the two colors because they kind of are colors that go together very well. The first bubble says, join us on November 2nd, 2018 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. for a day of fun and sports on the soccer field. Here it tells you where it is, what time it is, what day it is. And in the yellow it says bring a sack lunch and gym shoes. That's all that you need for field day, and it's important for parents to be reminded of that because I know they have a lot going on. In the bottom right corner, I have a bunch of kids playing. It just kind of concludes the whole flyer. It tells you that you're towards the bottom, you've seen all the information, and it also represents the fun that your children will be having on field day. So I hope you guys pick my flyer.